students, welcome to my channel. Once again, one time we can repeat the differentiation and integration formulas. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Integration of x power n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of x1, integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Differentiation of kx k into x differentiation 1. Differentiation of k dx, k writing outside, integration of k dx, k writing outside, k into 1 integration is x plus c. E power x differentiation e power x, integration of e power x dx e power x plus c. Differentiation of a power x log a, integration of a power x dx is a power x by log a plus c. Differentiation of log x 1 by x, integration of 1 by x dx log modulus of x plus c. Here also modulus of x you can use. Differentiation of sin x cos x, integration of cos x dx sin x plus c. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x, integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. In a differentiation cos x is a negative minus sin x. In a integration sin x is negative. In differentiation sin x is positive, integration sin x is negative. That is the change. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x, integration of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x, integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus c. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x, integration of secant x tan x dx is secant x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x, integration of cosecant x into cot x dx is minus cosecant x plus c. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is cos inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is cot inverse x plus c. Differentiation of secant inverse x 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx secant inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, integration of minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx is cosecant inverse x plus c. Now another for formulas in differentiation in trigonometric ratios, integration of tan x dx. We have proved previously already. Integration of tan x dx is log modulus of secant x plus c. Integration of cot x dx, that is log modulus of sin x plus c. Integration of secant x dx, that is log modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant x dx, log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. These are the integration formulas and differentiation formulas. Okay, next. Previous class we have started a exercise, second exercise, some 6 or 7 problems finished. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. This integration we have to find. This one directly not possible because it is not in basic formulas type. If you know that previously we have read already formulas in basic formulas, this problem is not in that form. That's why by using the substitution method we can find it. Substitution method means here in this problem involve one function of the differentiation. First we have to check it which function of the differentiation involving. Here, 1 differentiation is 0, cos x differentiation is minus sin x. That means here involved the sin x dx. Then we have to substitute 1 plus cos x is t. Because numerator is differentiation of the denominator. Let 1 plus cos x equal to t. 1 plus cos x equal to t. Why we have to substitute that variable? Another variable is given problem is not in the basic formula type. This one convert into a basic formula type by using the substitution. Substitution method. Why we have to substitute 1 plus cos x only t? Reason here 1 plus cos x differentiation involving 1 plus cos x differentiation minus sin x. Sin x dx is there. 1 differentiation constant differentiation 0. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. That is equal to t differentiation dt by dx. This can be written as sin x dx is equal to the minus dt. This minus writing here. That means numerator sin x dx totally minus dt. They substitute. Integration of this sin x dx is minus dt. Remaining 1 by 1 plus cos x is a t. Minus writing outside integration of 1 by t dt. Now this is in basic formula step. Integration of 1 by x dx, we know that. Integration of 1 by x dx is log modulus of x plus. You can apply this formula. Minus integration of 1 by t dt. 1 by x dx integration log x, log modulus of t plus. Given problem in terms of x, that's why answer also converted in terms of x. Minus log modulus of t means 1 plus cos x. Plus, therefore integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x dx, that value is minus log modulus of 1 plus cos x plus. This again repeat reason. Given problem is integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. This one here given problem is not in the basic form. That's why convert into a basic formula type by using the substitution method. Substitution method says that in that given problem, which function of the differentiation involving that function assuming some another variable, unknown variable. Here involving sin x. Sin x, which function of the differentiation? Constant plus cos x differentiation is minus sin x. That's why that 1 plus cos x assuming t. 1 constant differentiation 0, cos x differentiation minus sin x, t differentiation dt by dx. Here sin x dx is there, that's why sin x dx that equal to minus dt, this minus writing here. Now this problem convert into some new variable type. Sin x dx plus minus dt, 1 by 1 plus cos x plus t substitute. This minus writing outside minus of integration 1 by t dt. This is basic formula. Integration of 1 by x dx, we know that log modulus of x plus. That's why minus as it is. This is log modulus of t plus. T plus you can write 1 plus cos x. Minus log modulus of 1 plus cos x plus. Next. Next problem. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Same type, previous problem type only, but here whole square is one. This one is also converted into a basic formula type. In that purpose, we have to use substitution method. Here sin x, denominator 1 plus cos x. Sin x is 1 plus cos x differentiation. That's why you have to assuming let 1 plus cos x is equal to t. 1 differentiation is 0, cos x differentiation minus sin x dt by dx. This can be written as sin x dx equal to minus dt. This sin x into dx equal to minus dt. Sin x dx is minus dt. Integration of this totally minus dt. Minus dt. 1 by 1 plus cos x is assuming t. Yeah, that is t square. Now this minus writing outside integration of 1 by t square. This can be written as t to the power of minus 2 dt. because 1 by a to the power of m, 1 by a power m equal to formula a to the power of minus m. Now it is in the form of a basic formula type. It is in the form of integration of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx formula x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is in the form of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c minus t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Now minus t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus. This minus minus cancel. T inverse, that is 1 by t plus. 1 by t means what? 1 plus cos x plus. Therefore, integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx answer is 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. Once again repeat. Given problem is integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. I assuming 1 plus cos x is a t. Reason? Here 1 plus cos x differentiation involving. The differentiation of 1 plus cos x is minus sin x dx. This minus here not there, that's why that minus writing left side. Here by using the substitution method, reason here involving differentiation of 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is t minus sin x dx is minus dt. Because 1 differentiation is 0, cos x differentiation minus sin x. T differentiation dt by dx. Sin x dx is minus dt. Now integration of this sin x dx plus is minus dt. 1 by 1 plus cos x plus is a t square. 1 by t square, 1 by a power m formula a to the power of minus t to the power of minus 2 dt. This minus very outside. Now it is in the form of integration of x power n dx. Formula x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. While apply the formula, then removing this integration symbol. Don't write again symbol. Here, this step to this step you can convert by apply the formula. That means that remove that integration symbol, formula you can write. Integration of x power n dx in x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Minus as it is t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus t power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Minus minus cancel. This t inverse 1 by t plus. We have to convert t in terms of x1 plus cos x. Next, integration of sin inverse x by integration of sin inverse x by 1 square root of 1 minus x square dx. Integration of sin inverse of x by square root of 1 minus x square dx. It is also converted into the known formula. In that purpose, by using the substitution method. Okay. Here, which function of the differentiation involving sin inverse x differentiation involved? Sin inverse x differentiation is what? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. That's why this can be written as sin inverse x into 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now, let I assume sin inverse x equal to t. Because sin inverse x differentiation involving. Here, differentiation of sin inverse x is there, that's why sin inverse x assuming t. The differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. T differentiation dt by dx. dt by dx. This dx is t. dx. That is equal to t. Integrate sin inverse x equal to t. Then differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to dt by dx. The dx here. 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is totally dt. This is totally dt. Integration of that is dt sin inverse x is t. Now it is in the form of integration of x to the power of n dx form. Here is one. Integration of x power n dx formula, x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. We can apply this formula. T to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. T power 2 by 2 plus c. What is that? T means sin inverse x. Therefore, sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. This is integration of sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integration. Once again, here given problem is sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Sin inverse x into 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. We know that sin inverse x differentiation. That's why we have involved the sin inverse x differentiation. That's why we are assuming sin inverse x equal to t. Sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. D equal dt by dx, the dx right here. Root of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx equal dt. This problem converted in terms of t. This 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx totally dt. This is a t. It is in the form of basic formula type integration of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. T to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. While applying the formula, then removing this symbol. T power 2 by 2 plus c. T means sin inverse x. Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Next. Integration of x plus 1 into x plus log x plus log x whole square whole divided by x dx. Integration of x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x. This can be written as integration of this x, this totally multiplied, this is divided. This one right, split out. X plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square dx. Integration of this one x by x plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square dx. X cancel 1. That means 1 plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square dx. This is the given problem. Here observe that the differentiation of x is what? 1. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. That means this 1 plus 1 by x is the differentiation of this function. That means here involving differentiation of x plus log x. Here involving differentiation of x plus log x. That's why I am assuming x plus log x as a t. Let x plus log x equal to t. The differentiation of x1 log x differentiation 1 by x into this is the dt by dx, this is dx right in outside t. Actually, x differentiation 1, log x differentiation 1 by x, t differentiation dt by dx. This dx right here, direct. That means 1 plus 1 by x dx is dt. 1 plus 1 by x dx is dt. That is integration of this 1 plus 1 by x dx is dt. This x plus log x is t whole square. This total problem converted in terms of t. Now it is in the form of integration of x power n dx. that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus e. That is t to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. T to the power of 3 by 3 plus c. T cube. What is that t means? X plus log x whole cube by 3 plus. This is integration of x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x dx. Once again, given problem is integration of x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x dx. This can be written as x, this divide is suppose 2 into 5 by 3 is there. This can be written as 2 by 3 into 5. Like that only I have split out this. X plus 1 into x plus 1 log x whole square by x. I will write as x plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square. This x, any one of the factor can multiply. That's why x plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square. This x plus 1 by x by x plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square dx. X by x, that is cancelled 1 by x. This 1 plus 1 by x is nothing but the differentiation of x plus log x. This factor is nothing but differentiation of x plus log x. The differentiation of x plus log x differentiation 1, log x differentiation 1 by x. That's why here involving the differentiation of x plus log x, this value assuming t. Let x plus log x is t. The differentiation of x is 1, log x differentiation is 1 by x. dt by dx, the dx idea. This 1 plus 1 by x into dx is totally dt, this value. 1 plus 1 by x dx is dt. X plus log x is t square. It is in the form of integration of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. T to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus t power 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3 by 3. Now t, again this is in terms of t, but the given problem is in terms of x. This t place you can substitute this x plus log x. Therefore x plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Next. Integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x dx. Integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x dx. We know that integration of secant square x, integration of secant square x dx is tan x plus secant square x only. But here x not there. 7 minus 4x, this extra is there. This one I assume let 7 minus 4x as a t. Now differentiation. 7 differentiation 0 constant. Minus 4 into x differentiation 1. T differentiation dt by dx. Minus 4 dx equal to dt. But here only dx is there. Only dx. That's why this minus 4 shifts to this side. Dx equal dt by minus 4. This totally multiplied, shift to this side, divided. Therefore, dx place you can write as dt by minus 4. Given problem secant square of 7 minus 4x. We know the formula integration of secant square x dx or integration of secant square t dt, integration of secant square y dt, like that. But here 7 minus 4x extra is there. That extra is 7 constant differentiation 0 minus 4 x differentiation 1 dt by dx. This dx minus 4 dx is dt. This here only dx is there. Dx equal this minus 4 here multiplied shift to this side dt by minus 4. dx plus dt by minus 4. Integration of dt by minus 4. dx plus. Remaining part secant square 7 minus 4x as a 10. This minus 4 1 by minus 4 right outside. 1 by minus 4 into secant square t dt. Now it is in the form of integration of secant square x dx. We know that formula tan x plus. This formula can apply here. 1 by minus 4 into integration of secant square t dt or secant square x dx tan x. Tan x means here x plus t plus minus 1 by 4 tan t means we are assumed already t plus 7 minus 4x plus c. This is integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x dx is equal to the minus 1 by 4 into tan of 7 minus 4x. Please every day 1 or 2 times read the differentiation formulas and integration formulas. Every day 1 or 2 times write and read. Thank you.